Hello everyone, I'm Painting Han. Today, I'll be showing you how to paint complicated flower lilacs in watercolor. Lilac is one of the flowers of spring, and it has beautiful colors and sweet smells. You'd think it's difficult to paint, so let's paint with me and together. I'm going to use ultramarine deep, sap green, bright violet, and magenta. First, wet the paper over the flower and background and get some light blue put on the flower area. And also remember you need to leave some white space for the highlight. Now we will begin painting our lilacs. I want to paint the blossoms a slightly different color. So I'm taking a mixture of bright violet and ultramarine deep. These blossoms I will paint bluish purple, and for this bunchy I will use purple. So now I have some blue and some purple flowers. Get some greenish color put on the leaf area. And next for this second layer, add with deep blue color. I'm mixing sap green, ultramarine deep, and magenta color. I want to get dark and thick green for drawing thin stems and leaves. Now I'm using a Winser&Newton pointed round brush. making the flower look round. So I'm adding the dark value of blue on the lower part of the flowers. It looks three-dimensional. First, put on the dark value of color and take some watery clean water, put on the same area, so dilute the color. I'm painting with bright violet now because I want to make my flowers vibrant. I'm still using the Winser&Newton pointed round brush, using the tip of the brush, making some dots on the flower and lower area, and dilute some color and draw some lines freely. Take some greenish, bluish green color, put on the leaf area, the final colors. So this is final touch up for this painting. Make more depths in the painting. I'm going to add more intense shadow and highlights. And now I'm still working on the leaf area, and give them some depths on the shadow and under the flower area. So in the dark part, add more dark density of color. So therefore it will build more contrast between the bright and the dark areas. This becomes a more sophisticated painting, right? And to add a final touch, splash with purple and bright violet. For the background, I'd like to make some blurry marks to look more natural and airy. So I'm splashing with the flower color which I used and dotting it here and there, so the viewer can be able to imagine something. So it opens the imagination for my viewers. Alright, we are all done. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification. Hit the like button. See you next time. Bye.